video update number 1 on the way to St Martin with Daisy. We should get there this time, going really well. Just want to show you how Holly has to suffer the voyage.
It's not funny.
She's been like this for a few minutes now. She's getting very frustrated. Daisy! Bing bucky bing bong.
No, dip it down a bit. That's it. Then move it over that way a little bit. That's it.
There you go. Daisy!
So you think I'm doing this for 20 odd hours? We've got another thing.
No, you've only got 14 hours and 30 minutes.
Brilliant. 14 hours. Great.
Yeah, nice work. Bye.
Daddy Pig is teaching Daisy Pig and Mummy Pig how to fish.
How to not fish is what he's doing.
What are you doing, Daddy Pig?
Preparing the rod again because we snapped the line twice with 2 monster fish. So
We've lost 2 of Matty's lures.
2 of Matt's lures. Matt, if you ever see this video, we've lost 2 of them today. I've kept these for 1.5 years, but I lost 2 today.
How is it? Is it better? You don't feel sick? No? What are you doing? Are you just playing? 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 quack. How many hours in a week?
I don't know. Like 6.5.
6.5 hours. And we've done
39 miles.
39 miles. 32 miles to go, except we've decided to not go all the way to St Martin. We're going to stop at St Barts, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because it's closer.
Yeah, Daisy's actually absolutely fine. We're not stopping for her. We just had enough. It's hot all day and we'd rather stop instead of doing another 6 hours to get to St Martin.
She's just having some food. Had a little nap. That's not really much else interesting to say. Daddy put the rod out.
Had a bite, had 2 bites, lost them, and then put it back out again, and then absolutely nothing since then. Which is a bit of a shame. We think we've just seen somebody in a life raft.
No.
Oh, there they weren't. We looked through the binoculars, and I think it's a rowing boat. But they're 40 miles from land, or 35 miles from land. So I don't know what they're doing, but they seem safe.
I see someone waving for help through the binoculars, so if they should have been waving more if they wanted help. Guess what Daisy's doing, everybody? Daisy, what are you doing? Are you learning the ropes? Are you learning the ropes? Go on.
No.
Please.
No, it's not spontaneous, I can't.
Do hello, Pepper.
Hello, Pepper.
Daddy Pig is tying on a lure. A lure is used to lure the fish to the hook. Tell us what lure you're using, Daddy Pig.
I'm using an octopus, George.
Do the pig noise.
Doing the squeaks.
Scrumpy is playing with his toy. He's not interested in Daddy Pig's fishing. Peppa Pig. Off. Look at it. Daddy Pig's only gone and caught a fish. Show us, Daddy Pig.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it. It's dinner tonight.
For you. Matt will be proud of my tuna.
Boom. We think.
I think it's a little tuna or some kind of sea mackerel, but feels nice and fleshy for Mummy.
Daisy, Daisy, are you proud of Daddy's fish?
Did you grab me the winch handle?
It's 6:05 and we're about 7 miles from the anchorage at St Barts. We left at 7 this morning, so we've been, what's that? I'm not very good at maths. 11 hours? 11 hours, and Daisy's done really well, but she has just been sick just now. So, but she's made it for most of the day and she's fine. So she's having a little wash at sea in her bath. Oh, her face.
Oh no, you got it right here.
Yeah. You having a wash? Because you covered us in sick. We was going to have a wash anyway. A wash at sea. Daddy's caught another fish. This time it's a barracuda. Yeah. Daddy's taken the Antigua flag down. It's been there forever. Now he's put the French flag. And
That's what's left of the Antigua flag.
you can't see it, it's too dark. Oh my god. It's ripped to shreds. And he's
so long.
putting the yellow flag up for, what's the yellow flag called?
It's but that we haven't checked in yet.
Has it got a name?
The quarantine flag.
There they go. Go.
You go.
You go.
You go.
We have arrived at St Barts. We've had our showers, we've had some food. And we're
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog without getting killed. And we're just about to go to bed, but we thought we'd better do a last final video to say that we got here. And it took how long?
Took 13 hours to do 76 miles. We were going to go to St Martin this morning, but that was about 100 miles, and then we were tired and Daisy had had enough as well, so we stopped here, which is quite nice.
Blame it on Daisy.
She threw up everywhere, so yeah.
It wasn't because we couldn't be bothered.
And that reason.
And this was on the way, so why not stop here? It's not like we're in a rush to get anywhere. So we're here. Daisy's fast asleep in the back cabin. It's successful. We didn't have any arguments. Caught two fish.
Caught 2 fish. Lost 3 of Matt's lures, which is pretty awkward.
And Daisy puked on me once.
Bye.
But so I think generally it's been a success. Anyway, time for bed. Bye.